How to create YouTube shorts. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to create YouTube shorts, those engaging videos that capture attention. Begin by opening your YouTube application on your device. Ensure that you have a YouTube channel created to initiate the shorts creation process. On the YouTube interface, locate and click on the plus sign at the center bottom of the screen. This action will unveil a set of options for content creation. Among the options, look for Create Short. Click on it to kickstart the shorts creation journey. Now you have the choice to select the source for your short. This will be the foundation for your short. After selecting, you have the opportunity to edit your short, add music, trim the video, and explore various creative options to enhance your content. Once you are satisfied with your short, click on the Next button. This step confirms your choices and moves you to the next page. You will be prompted to confirm your short. Here you can add a description, enable the comment section, and tweak other features to enhance engagement. Finally, click on the upload button to upload your short. Patiently wait for the upload to complete. Once the upload is done, head to your profile picture by clicking on the profile icon. Scroll down and select your videos option. Your freshly created YouTube short should be proudly displayed here. Click on it to view it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.